Okay, taking a look at natural gas, we have a continuation of the retracement to below the previous swing low, just barely. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find the link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. And you can see how yesterday it stalled at this uptrend line. And then today it broke right through that, came right down to this previous low at 188, and then it exceeded it just barely. So the low is 1.875. This previous low is 1.882. So technically that is a breakdown. However, what does it mean about the future? Well, we've already been going down 6 days in a row. It's possible that this support zone holds, or it continues to creep down to test these lower levels. So let's start with the upside. So the upside would be a breakout above today's high, 1.97. That would trigger a bullish reversal and put natural gas back above this trend line and put it in a position to at least test the 20 moving average purple line at 209, 210. And then if it stays strong, it can come up into some of these higher price levels, and that would confirm a bottom, a double bottom here. Okay, so the potential for a double bottom exists. We also have on the upside, we have the two moving averages here, starting with the orange 50 at 197 to 197 to 229 is the zone of those. The 50 is at 227 and the blue is at 229. So the 50 is orange, the blue is 200. That creates another resistance zone up there. On the downside, a drop below today's low, 1.875. We'll likely see natural gas test this previous interim swing high here at 185, if not lower. And the lower would be the 88.6% retracement of this swing from this low down here all the way up, came back down, hit 78.6% here, had a strong bounce, and now it's continuing down. That opens up the door to possibly test the 88.6% Fibonacci retracement at 176 eventually. And you notice that there is also an uptrend line that is coming around that level as well. And if we zoom out a bit, you can see that natural gas has been in a or it had been in a tight symmetrical triangle with this top line and this line right here. And it's also that is contained within a larger symmetrical triangle utilizing this lower trend line down here. And that opens up the door again to fall further and test this lower line before this correction may be complete. So either way, we have today's high as a signal and today's low as a signal. That is it for natural gas traders. Have a great week.